Hi, it's Sarah from the Gluten Free Blogger, and today we're using these part-baked white rolls from Juvela to make the most amazing herby garlic bread. Let's give it a go.
These Juvela part-baked white rolls just make the best gluten-free garlic bread ever. Now the secret is to bake them first as per the pack instructions so they go lovely and golden and crunchy like this, but they're still soft and squishy on the inside. And then I'm going to cut each roll while it's still hot into 3 equal pieces. The next step is to make the garlic butter. I've done this by softening 25 grams of butter, added a teaspoon of chopped garlic, or you can use a garlic clove which has been crushed, and about a tablespoon of fresh parsley. I'm then going to spread a little bit of this garlic butter on each bit of bread and then sandwich the rolls back together like this. And once you've done all of the rolls, I'm going to wrap each roll in a bit of foil. This just makes sure as the butter melts that all the lovely garlic butter oozes back into the bread. Pop this back into the hot oven for another 10 minutes, and when you unwrap it, you're going to have the most amazing garlic bread. It's crunchy on the outside with a really squishy centre with loads of garlic butter. Make sure you give this recipe a try.